Okay, now if you're trying to log in using your mobile device, it's going to be very easy as well. So what you also need to do is to write over to your email, the email you receive, and make sure you are using the second email that was sent to you by Equity Edge that contains your Matchtrade credentials. So I'll just get over to right over to my own, and when I get there, you're going to have your email, and you have the email that was sent to you that you use in creating your account, which is going to be your username, and you have your password, and below you're going to have access to the link, right? Remember, this is the second email you receive, the Matchtrade credentials, right? Now you click on the platform link. So once you click on it, you use your preferred browser. Now it brings you to the Equity Edge trading platform, right, of Matchtrade, right? So now you notice I'm already logged in. So but what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out for you to see how I went about it. So I'll log out. So I'll simply input my email address, the same email address which is on the email that I receive. So that is my email, and I'll simply input my password which I receive. So the password is the same password I receive on the email, not the one I created. So take note, the password you're inputting here is the password you receive on the email address, which is on the Matchtrade credentials email address, not the password you set yourself. But now here's the trick. After inputting this password, you have the possibility of changing the password yourself to your preferred password, right? So you have to sign in first. Now once you sign in first, this is what you get on your platform. I was just speaking about how you can change the password yourself. So you go to account, you go to what user settings. Once you go to user settings, you can actually put the notifications as you want, right? So demo trading notification, live trading notification, turn off notification. So I turn off most of mine. So you go to security. Where you have security, you can click on change password. Once you click change password, you can change your password and now have your preferred password. Investor access, you can also give access to your investors if you want, right? So let's go back. So on the platform, this is basically where you are going to be trading, right? So let me just do a quick overview. Now you notice that at the top you can't see my profit, right? For it, you want to see my profit, my equity, my balance details. You just have to click on the profit. Once you click on the profit, it brings down the menu for you to be able to see your equity, balance, and others, and your margin. So I click back and I hide it, and I click on it, it opens. Secondly, you want to be able to look at your symbols, right? So I trade mostly gold and GG. So if I want to add other symbol, I go to symbols, go to commodities, and make them favorite. So if I make Bitcoin, for example, favorite, and I come back to favorite, I'm going to have Bitcoin here. So I kind of add the preferred instrument I want to trade, similar as you're doing on MetaQuote, where you have to add them first, right? Now when you go to positions, you can see your current position running and your pending position, but I do not have. Same time, you can always stay here to see your balance, how it is going. When you go to history, you're going to see your history for your trade, right? You're going to see the history for your trade. Similar thing this way. And you can see your deposit, performance, etc. Now you, in terms of managing your positions to take a trade, if I want to take a trade on gold, for example, I just have to click here. And then once I take my volume, let's say for example I go in with 0.01 lots, 0.01 lot, I take done, and what I need to do is I go to stop loss and I input my stop loss. If I want to input my stop loss, you don't have to click on buy or sell without putting your stop loss. So I click on that, and then I click on take profit as well. I'll put my take profit, and then when I'm done, you're going to be having the chance of putting what click or buy or sell. So if I put that, let's say for example I want to take a sell on gold, my stop loss here is going to be, let's say, let me use 25. So you see I can place a sell, and my take profit, let's say my take profit is 23.20, and I can actually go for my sell, right? And you can see the dollar value of how much you're going to be losing, or the percentage below as well, right? Similar thing here, right? So this is just a quick overview of how to use the device on your phone. So the basic things you're going to need: logging in and placing your trades.